Yeah.
Ayo, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we'll be reacting to a music video from Meghalaya. There is this popular singer called Jessie Lingdo from Shillong. She has released a new song called Kinmo and the features are Eddie Lingdo, Banrab Lingdo, Aisha Sangryang. So within 2 days, this music video has garnered more than 350k views and that's really very huge, especially in the northeast. So the song will be in Khasi language. I don't understand Khasi, but you know what? Like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. You know, we northeasterns, we listen to a lot of K-pop songs, right? Though we don't understand Korean, but then we vibe into it. In the same way, I'm going to enjoy this music. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what Jessie Lingdo and team has for us on the table. So let's get it. State of Mind Productions, shout out to them. Oh.
Hey, takin mo hibinga Ipor wadalay wumilindi oki. Hey.
The beginning stuff is, so jolly, and her voice is amazing. Though I have not listened to the whole thing, but it's amazing.
Takin mo hibinga maay Larayo pinga kate. Will we fall in love again? Ooh, hey, mandaya champion Yoluti.
So this looks like an expensive car. And is this a showroom or what is this? Anyways, this looks amazing. The set is awesome.
Oh boy, chakam bin read kawaba. If I showed up to see ya, would you be on your way now? If I showed you my feelings, would you take all of me now? Take it.
If I showed you my feeling, would you take all of me now? Oh, maybe I will. Jessie.
Take it, you the one. Take it, you the run. Take it, never gone. I'll see you back at home.
Oh. Hey, by the way, when I see these dances, it reminds me of Justin Bieber's what is that? Sorry song, yep.
We were just 10 when we fell in love. We were still 10.
We were just 10 when we fell in love with him. So man, at such a young age.
When we first fought, hading ni siya jump, pisikran yang hadu dengan ajamba. Yeah. Bentangila hebangilasan. Can't wait to hold you in my arms. Jig shaky one, rino bling a pantang yapi. If I showed up to see ya, would you be on your way now? If I showed you my feelings, would you take all of me now? Take it, you the one. Take it, you the run. Take it, never gone. I'll see you back at home.
Man, this song for real, man. I'm really enjoying it, and there is this vibe, the cheerful vibe, the jolly vibe. Amazing, man. The production, the dances, everything, it's high quality, it's I don't feel like it is coming in from the northeast. Amazing job, brothers and sisters. By the way, they should have put the subtitles. It would have been, more better. We could have understood a little more.
Ile makan mau kipor mencuah Likiu tak ulum kenyalai kenjat selah Ipen her kut kudi sakata menjala Dukut hoi cengai hajing pelih hatangi aja Deh makna mata kadur jumpa Ani wow je ikadur karyam la per sudah Cilele redus jinglong teka ju hisa Ibala hes ngotunga seka kambe pisa Teka hanga Mitela long uta urap Ile merle tak den la de jos nguki chicks ken yap ler Ho se lamun nga henry pit nga hap kemai Sngonga paro hakas kur da pareng papen hikai
He got the flow, man. He got the flow.
Would you be on your way now? If I showed you my feelings, would you take all of me now? Take it, you don't want.
Take it, you don't want. Take it, you never run.
I'll see you back at home. I'll see you back at home.
Oh.
Đường phi ngã qua gió gì gác mãi phi ban cá si kỳ por mình chọn best buddies just you and me.
If I showed up to see ya, would you be on your way now? If I showed you my feelings, would you take all of me now? Take it, you don't want.
Take it, you don't want. Take it, never
go. I'll see you back at home. Hey, well, do you still remember me like I remember you?
I don't know, but this song is really awesome, and you get the vibe, man. And all of their voices are awesome, man. Like the angelic voice, the merry voice, the cheerful, the jolly voice. Everything is cool about this music video. The people are awesome. All of them looks very beautiful.
Well, do you still remember me like I remember you? Well, do you still remember?
And Jessie is very beautiful. She looks perfect.
Me like I remember you. Do you still remember me like I remember you? Hey, Duncan
Jessie, you did a great job, and all of them have done their part. So Jessie Lingdo, Eddie Lingdo, Banrab Lingdo, Aisha Sanghyang. Shout out to all of you, and to the State of Mind production. This was really indeed an awesome project that you have done, and I really appreciate this one. And I want to see more of this kind of music, and we are expecting and looking forward to more of music like this from you guys. And yeah, so shout out to everybody in the team, and please like, share and subscribe. And yeah, Northeast for life. So yeah, bye bye.